Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Guys, you don't know, Real Talk with there for do. Now here we go on. Guys, I need to have couple minutes on no time. Parents, come here. Come we sit down and have this dialogue and have this serious, very serious conversation about matters rise from this here Chrissy and CMR situation. Now guys, I want to talk to you about this thing because in my eyesight as a parent, this no look good and it no look good. None at all, it don't look good. And this is just from my heart and from my brains to each of you out there. Yes, you have some people who die-hearted supporter who don't care about nothing but the people CMR and Chrissy. Now, guys, let's talk about what we see display right in front with eyes. Last year, November, the world stopped for a minute because we never know. We never did a look for something like this to happen, where there's an allegation upon CMR that allegedly him touch him stepdaughter. Now guys, we talk about it a lot and we do a lot of things. We investigate, we get information and we talk about it. Nobody on their side say anything about it more than CMR went on the fix and literally said the little girl lies on him. Now guys, here is where I have a problem as a parent. And to all of you parents out there, I want you to talk to me. Talk to me in the comment. I want to really feel as a parent to watch Chrissy do not care, not do nothing towards what really happened to our daughter and said that we hate her and we want what she have and all them things. But that's not really what we really want to talk about. What I really want to talk about is the victory. Yeah, I really want to talk about this victory where Chrissy said, come in. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Chrissy says she went on fasting. Saying, parents, are you may talk to you know? Really and truly, I want to listen to me and say, you know. Can we go get to the point in a few minutes? Chrissy says she went on fasting, spiritual fasting, and she come back and she forgive. She forgive who and what we don't know, but we speculate and we think are the man. Now, I don't seek a player. I don't seek who I hide from, who not hide from, who I show up in a camera. You know, all kind of something. Games. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I see a video. And when I see the video, I did a video about what I say. And at that, I really want to talk to you about and show you some points. Now, Chrissy said that uno soon say the victory. Now, my viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. The victory that Crissy said we go see was the husband driving the victim and other two daughters in the same vehicle. And my viewers and subscribers, if you watch the video, I don't really want you to go watch the video, because by watching the video, you support them slackness. However, you can see the tension. You can see the uncomfortableness. You can see the disaster in our brain. He might rub him head, he might scratch him head, he might look like. However, here is where I have a big problem. So the therapy finish, the 3 months therapy finish, allegedly. And you do a video. You allow the man to pick up the daughter from your yard, which a female too, and a carrier go which part, nobody knows. But up till now, you, Crissy, do not have a video with you and this man in it. Make it make sense, no man. Make it make sense. Up till now, you and CMR don't have a video together. From this situation happen, you and CMR is not in a car together making a video. You're not seen standing together in a video. But here what you do. You make CMR carry her to school, and you make CMR carry her to school or carry her in the same vehicle with him to prove a point. That's exactly what you do, to prove a point. But my question to you is, what point were you trying to prove? What point were you trying to prove? Because any point you were trying to prove, it dull, it blunt, it not work. That point is not a good point. Let me tell you, as a parent, that's not a good point where you are trying to prove to people. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, by the way, watch, reach this far in the video? So man, subscribe now man, like the video, share the video, comment man, comment on the video, help the channel to grow. So may I say, anyway, back to the argument. Any point where you are trying to prove or you are trying to show people, it now work. Because that specific point is one of the worst point I ever see a woman, a man, a person make in them whole entirely life. That's what me see. For you did make a video with your husband. So you didn't make a video with your husband. You didn't make a video with you and your husband are driving at the same vehicle to prove something to us. But what did you do? You allowed the monster, the allegation person, to drive with the person who went to the school and said, this man is interfering with me, troubling me inappropriately, and I don't like it, and I want him to stop. Now, Crissy, let me Me can't call them a word they are good. But let me say this to you, you see. Me call you Yamed. I may have you as Yamed. I mean, don't know what kind of head me fi call you again. Because this, what you do, is one of the most low, is the lowest you can go in the world of stupidity. Now, I listened to HTK yesterday. Big up yourself, HTK. And HTK have some valid point. Some serious point. My viewers and subscribers, don't go over there, go check her out. She have some valid points and some serious points. And the points that she have is, what are you trying to prove to us when the allegation is already there? What the little girl said is already there. Allegedly, he interfered with her that she didn't like. Now, let me also say this to you, you see. You do not make a video with your husband. For what? Why you didn't make a video with him first? For sure we say, yes, we're not back together. It's a joke. You is a joke. You is a big, big joke. You is a menace to society. Now, I see some comment and some things, and them asking if you, Chrissy, is saying that your daughter lie about your husband. You never know said that it go come. You never know said that it go come. Because guess what happened? You not think before you hack. Now, if you never know said that part did go come, you make a seriously sad mistake. So, your husband said the girl tell lie upon him. And let me say this to you. Parents, make we have this part of the conversation. So you and your daughter have a conversation after everything. Yeah. Yes, man. You and your daughter talk after she went and talked to the people at the school. And she tell you exactly what happened. She tell you exactly what happened. You know why? Me know. Say she tell you what happened. You see, if she did tell you from day one that, mommy, I make up the story, you would have fly up long time. Yeah, man, you would have fly up long time. But guess what happened? Your daughter tell you exactly what happened. Your daughter tell you exactly how it go. That's why you not take no video, you not do nothing with the man. Because you know within yourself say the man is wrong, but yes, you're still a hide and lick. Hey, you still a hide and lick. Because you are go over the yard when you rent. All this time you are go over there and him a come over your yard. But the mistake what you make, what you make was when you allow him to drive her in the vehicle by herself and the two daughters without you in it. Let me tell you something. You are both and talk about PR. Alright? Make me be your PR, because your PR where you do not have no PR sense. And I go tell you why your PR don't have no PR sense. If it was I am your PR, I was going to say to you, no, you cannot do that. You cannot allow him and her to drive in at the front seat of the vehicle, you should be in the vehicle too. Coming off this, hold on, coming off this allegation, which is it's a dangerous thing. Allegedly, she said him do to her. Crissy, let me say this to you. Did you know, or do you really think that if they found any good evidence, you would say your husband again? No. Your husband was looking at 5 to 15 years in prison. Now let me say this to you. Now, hold on a little bit. Stick up in. You hold on a little bit. CMR, let me say this to you. So, somebody tell a lie upon you and make you go in a jail. You are look upon 5 to 15 years in a prison. And you take up yourself seriously and go in a vehicle with them and a drive around. What you do? Try to make it look good. Yeah, try to make it look good. You know see how you sit down. You know see how you're tense in the vehicle. You know see how you're uncomfortable in the vehicle. You're uncomfortable. You're tense in the vehicle because you know, say you do it. You're wicked. You know, say you do that girl something. Just like what that girl said, allegedly you touch her the wrongful way that she don't like. Now, you have people, you and Crissy have people that say, did she lie? Crissy, I wonder if she lied. Did she lie for your husband, Crissy? I wonder if I lie, she tell, who never that think about that. Now, back to you, Crissy. Why you never go in at the car and make she go in at the back seat and do a video? A welcome back video to the family of the Carter. No, you never do that. You allow him to drive the vehicle with her in it. You not driving there. Listen me good. You nah do no video with your husband and you in the car. If it was me and it's our victory lap, I would say, honey, come on, let's go for a drive. And we make a video and laugh off our we out here. But you didn't do that. If I was your PR, that's what I would do. I would say, go for a ride. The two of you go for a ride. Or all of you go for a ride as a family. But no, you not do that. Because guess what? You still feel it to your core. You don't want people to see you not together because you know what people are going to say. 3 months. HTK said 3 months. Too early. Hiya. HTK said, I'm going to go off of where she said to. 3 months is too early. So him do therapy. And the therapy is for 3 months. And you tell me, say, after your daughter said to you that your husband, or tell the teacher that your husband, her stepfather, allegedly touched her inappropriately, and she wanted to stop. And you go tell me, say, them send him a counseling. Him have to do counseling for sexual behavior and sexual deviance and all kind of things. And you tell me, say, 3 months after that You allow your daughter to go in a vehicle with him. But where were you? You still haven't make a video with the man. You still a play hide and seek. And let me tell you something, Chrissy. Me hear you talk about them, I go get where them forget. Let me tell you something. You see them little, listen this good. Remember, foreign America run pan credit. And to all who don't know about America, let me help some of you. America run pan credit. And if you have a good credit, you can have anything where you want. And you pay a monthly fee. Yes, you pay a monthly fee. So when you talk about them soon get where them are look for, let me tell you something to you. You think a who alone have a few dollars? No. And people out here wait for you too. For you come with what you come with. People out here wait for you because you operate like you PR and you this and you that is the most important person and the most smartest person. When to be honest with you, I go tell you something. Whosoever is your PR, you need to fire them and hire me. Fire them and hire me. But the thing is, the only thing about hiring me is, remember me tell them, me go send them to a prison. Because you lie, you wicked. As a parent, you should not allow these things to happen to your daughter. None at all. You shouldn't allow these kind of things to happen to your daughter. None at all. Much less, you put your daughter in a danger again. Just sit down and let me tell you something. Stop post up all video, all shots. Because here what you do. Here what you do. You put up the old shots with all of you together. I talk about give me my money. And then boom, you drop the video. Let me tell you something. You fool all kind of people. You can't fool me. You can't fool the movement. Yes, you can't fool the movement because the movement is smart. The movement is not stupid. And parents, let me say this to all of you, see. Me can't parents for you. You can't parents for me. You see, when you don't have a daughter and a son, and a daughter and a son come to you and say to you, say, Mommy or Daddy, this happened to me. Sit them down and talk to them. Ask them what really happened. Question them. Then after you do that, the person in question, you go to that person and you ask that person kindly to tell you exactly what happened. And after you do that, and if that person can't explain what happened and tell you, say no and so it go, but explain how it really go, then you go for your things and that's it right there. Whatever you want to go for marketing, I never tell you where if you go for it. But me say you go for your thing, you go for your business, you go for your bag, you go for anything where you want to go for. And that's where the solution is. The solution is not operate like everything is okay, everything is all right. And remember, Chrissy, remember you did say something, you know. And one of my lovely viewer / subscribers today remind me of that. So you did say, you're not going to say nothing. Because if you say anything, you go put somebody in prison. You go get people in a trouble. Remember you did say that. That time, guess who you are defend? You are defend your husband. You are defend your husband. You are defend your property. You are defend your brand. Meanwhile, the same man, the same brand, the same thing. I look upon your daughter with one eye. Yeah. But you know, sit down and I say to yourself, say, this thing is nasty, this thing is messy, this thing is rude, this thing is disrespectful, this thing is not nice. You sit down and you act like everything is okay, everything is alright, everything is good, when it not good. To be honest with you, tell you the truth, I mean, I go behind you and talk. I mean, I go behind nobody and talk. Me didn't know, say something, I go do something stupid like this, you know? But I never know what kind of stupid. But me know say I go do something stupid. Because to tell you the truth, the two of you together, let me say this to you. And my viewers and subscribers, let me be honest with you. The two of you make for one another. Dumb and dumber. Yeah. Two of you make for one another. Because there's no way two people who have sense do stupid and dumb things like what me say you just do. Now, again, what you expect people to think about this little girl now? You never think about that part. My viewers and subscribers, me cannot understand the logics of how some parents think. We will not understand it because each to his own. Every parent is different. Every parents operate different. However, whenever time you have a kid, a girl as a matter of fact, and that girl is having problem with your significant other, your man, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatsoever thing you do, because that's your business. That's when you need to sit down and you need to think. And you need to ask yourself the question. Ask yourself, where do I go from here? Because this is not a joke. I think you know act like this is a joke. You and your subscribers and your supporters and your followers is taking it as a joke, because this is not a joke. And I want you to know that you need to take a time out, just like how you went and fasting, and need you to take a time out, sit down and ask yourself the question, what am I really doing? You need to do that, because you take this for a joke. You didn't make a video with your husband. How that look when you didn't make a video with your husband? First, when him done him everything. Oh, you are trying to prove a point. Say, yes, you need, yeah man. But back to you again, you need to sit down. Think about this one. Because you put her out there to prove a point, say, yes, him can go around her. But why you, that's my $1 million question. Why you didn't go in the vehicle? Me know you're going to say, I'm going to followers. I'm going to say, I don't know, my business that. But that would be more look appropriate. It would look good if you know that you in the vehicle. Oh, yeah, try to show, we say, yeah, you can allow her around him or him around her. Remember, that's all did that go on. Even when she say him allegedly touch her wrongfully. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, until next time, walk good. And to all of the family them out there, listen to your kids. All of the mothers them out there, please do not be one like this mother. Chrissy, don't be like her.